Hey folks, Joe here. Short video today. This one's geared towards those of you that are maybe thinking about making your own canoe paddle. Winter's coming. Great time to take on a new project. As you can see in the background over there, I've got a few leaning against the wall. A couple more over here. Kayak paddles over there, of course. I've made probably 2,000, maybe 2,500 paddles so far over the years. I've got several more on the go right now out in the wood shop. The bulk of those would be the kayak paddles, the Greenland style kayak paddles. I've built a lot of those. Canoe paddles, probably a couple hundred, maybe 300 over the years. And for those of you that want to try building your own, I got a couple videos up on canoe building, on building a canoe paddle, and I'll have another one coming up in the next couple of days. I kind of got sidetracked off that project, got the first 3 up in the summer, and then got tied up in doing other things, finishing up orders for kayak paddles, doing some tripping, things like that. Anyway, part 4 of that is coming up soon. Today's video is more about a book. I'll give you a look at it right here. Try and hold it up so there's not too much glare so you can see it. Canoe Paddles, The Complete Guide to Making Your Own by Graham Warren and David Gidmark. This book's a bit of a classic. Highly recommend it. There will be links down below in the description box if you would like to order yourself a copy or just learn more about it. It goes over different types of paddles, where they evolved across North America, different species of wood for use in paddle building and their characteristics, the weight density, that sort of thing. Talks about different tools, spoke shapes, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of good information in there. Let's see, let me open this out. It also talks about making kayak paddles, both the traditional style and the Euro style paddles. There are templates towards the back. You can trace these out, and I don't know if this is showing up well. You can use these in making the grips. There's blade profiles over here. It doesn't show up real well in the video probably, but we'll see what we can do. There's tables of offsets for different paddles, Sugar Island bent shaft, traditional beaver tail, otter tail. Yeah, all kinds of different paddle plans. Goes over how to finish them, what types of finishes are good. This book loaded up with information. I think I've talked about that enough. But it's a great book if you want to get into building canoe paddles or kayak paddles even. It's more focused on canoe paddles, but it's all relevant to both. And you should check it out. Anyways, I'm going to edit this all together and get it posted for you folks. And I got to get back out in the wood shop. I've got a kayak paddle to try and finish up today. And then I can start working on part 4 of the building an otter tail canoe paddle. Start working on part 4 of that and get that up possibly this weekend. As I'm doing this right now, it is Friday afternoon, and we'll see how my day goes. Anyways, hope you like this, and I will talk to you again soon.